one away, huh? It's pretty dried out. All right, here we go. Let's look at Thursdays. Our number of the day is, everyone?
988.
All right, 988. You're going to do the number of the day box by yourself. You're going to do the compare numbers box by yourself. I'd also be interested to see you try the equation inequality by yourself today and see what you can do. Okay, these 3 boxes by yourself. Please don't do the other ones. Okay, go ahead. Paula got right to work. If you're stuck on something, remember, skip it and come back to it. And what you can do first. Notice on the equation inequality, Braulio, remember that he has to see what he can solve before he can decide to answer. He looked at both sides to see if he could solve them. Compare numbers is kind of tricky today too. I have some tricky questions. friends, go ahead and stop where you are. We're going to start by going over, let's go ahead and do the money. We have these coins. What's this coin?
Dime.
Dime. Dime's worth?
10.
Nickel's worth?
5.
Quarter's worth?
25.
Penny's worth? 1. Dime's worth?
10.
Nickel's worth?
5.
Quarter's worth?
25.
Oh no. What is wrong with this picture? What is wrong with this picture? Evan?
What is wrong is this picture is you put the lesser ones first, and then you also put the big
Pause,
ones.
Evan. I want you to wait till friends are not writing. No one should be writing right now. Thanks, Evan. Okay, so what's wrong with the picture?
As far as the picture is you put the less ones first. Well, you're supposed to put the bigger ones first because they start first.
Yeah, this is really confusing. All the coins are mixed up. I think Alicia has a really good strategy of how we can make this much easier for our brains. Some of you might just be able to count it and figure it out. I can't really do that. It's really confusing for me. So Alicia, what strategy do you think we could use to help us figure this out easier?
You can just put a line in between the coins that are mixed up,
Okay, let's draw a line underneath these coins.
and then you can draw 2 quarters.
Why should I draw 2 quarters?
Because it's a big number. I mean, it's a big coin.
Oh.
25.
Oh, are you saying that I should redraw the coins in order? Ooh, good strategy. So maybe as I draw the 2 quarters, should I cross these off?
Because you count the dime and you put a nickel and a quarter and a penny. It's like you're jumping around.
Okay.
It's like you're jumping around to figure out, and then you won't know what to do because there's like numbers already.
Yeah, I like this idea of just reorganizing the coins by drawing them myself, Paula. And as I redraw them, I cross them off. So what should I draw next after the quarters?
You should draw 2 dimes.
Okay, I have 2 dimes. So those are worth, bless you, those are worth the next most. So I'm going to draw my dimes. Okay, and then what should I draw?
And then you should draw 2 nickels.
Okay, and let's draw my 2 nickels.
And then you should draw a penny.
Okay, and then my last one is my penny.
And now you can count them.
And now, oh, so much easier for me to count them.
But if you want to give it a space instead of like not knowing what to do,
Uh-huh.
you can I made it last time. I did this in the menu section. And last week, when they were all mixed up, I drew them too, and I put the line. And when I was done drawing the coin, I put another line, and then I erased the bottom line,
Okay.
and then I drew the numbers.
So you like to put them in a box. That's fine. The most important part is that they're organized in a way that's easy for our brain. Okay, starting us off counting these quarters. How do I count these quarters, Evan?
How do you count these quarters? Then you put a dollar sign,
Okay.
0, decimal,
Uh-huh.
25,
Good. What's the second quarter? 25?
50.
Good. We are writing it the second grade way, just like Evan said. 25, 50. All right, now we're going to switch over to our dimes. How am I going to count these dimes, Ashley?
60.
Oh, Ashley knows her jumps of 10. 60.
70.
Excellent. 60, 70. Now we're going to switch to our jumps of 5. Oh, wait, I just heard from Evan. Let's hear from someone different. 1.
Nickels is by 5.
Good. So what am I going to write next after 70?
A dollar sign,
Mm-hmm.
a 0,
Mm-hmm.
a decimal, and 75.
1 Juan knows his jumps of 5. Okay, what's the next one, Juan?
The next one is a dollar sign, a 0, decimal, and a 80.
Excellent. 75, 80. Now last one is our penny. Natalie A., what am I going to put for my penny?
Penny, 81.
Excellent. 81 cents. That was so much easier since I reorganized the coins. So our amount is 81 cents, or we can write it the first grade way. 81 cents. Can I put a dollar sign and a cent sign? No, they're enemies. One or the other, not both. Excellent job. Okay, let's come on over to our math action. Let's read it all together. Same story about Marisol and David that we read on Tuesday. Here we go. Ready? And read. Marisol. Okay, so we decided on Tuesday that when we're giving change, the math action is
Take away.
take away, because Marisol is giving David her money, and he's going to take away how much the Gatorade costs to see how much money she had left. So if we're taking away, what is the operation for take away, Joanne? The operation? What is it? Jose, the operation for takeaway?
Subtraction.
Complete sentence?
The operation for takeaway subtraction.
Excellent. Okay, so we're going to subtract. Whenever we're finding change, we need to subtract to see how much the person's going to get back. So we have two numbers in our problem. Marisol pulls out her wallet to pay for her Gatorade, and she has what, Alex? A $5 bill. But her Gatorade only costs how much, Noe? $1.59. So we need to write a subtraction sentence with those two numbers. Whisper to your side-to-side buddy, what are we going to write? Back together. 3. 0. What number sentence are we going to write to figure out Marisol's change, Natalie A? Like this?
No.
Like this? Okay, I see a few friends that are showing they disagree. You want to call in a friend? Why do you disagree?
I disagree with Natalie, yes, because in the story it said a $5 bill.
Oh, $5 bill. Okay, good. You got it. I think you just thought it was $2 instead of $5. Okay, there we go. Now, are we ready to subtract?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Paula's going to help me out. I'm going to draw my lines. And I know my decimal comes straight.
Down.
And my dollar sign comes straight.
Down.
I can even put them there before I even subtract if I want. Okay, Paula, what am I going to do?
You're gonna
What place do I start in?
put down 1.
Okay. More on the top or more on the floor? Good. More on the floor.
Go, Nick.
Uh-oh.
Go, Nick. Change into it. Open it door.
Good. What? going to take 100 away. So what's it going to become? If there were 500s, we take 1 away. Yeah, it's going to become 4 now. Okay? We always give how much, Paula?
10.
Good. So what's the 0 going to become?
10.
A 10. But Tiara, what's up with that 10? Can it stay a 10?
No.
Why not? Oh, yeah, because we still have to get to the ones place. So we take 1 away, it becomes a 9. And then the ones place can become a 10. Excellent. Now we're ready to subtract. 10 minus 9?
1.
9 minus 5?
3.
Try again. 9 minus 5?
4.
4 minus 3.
Three.
Sorry, 4 minus 1.
3.
I'm going to circle my answer. And I should always check it. I see that some friends already started to check it right away. I'm going to check it. You also check it. Doing the inverse, which is addition. Making sure we line up those digits nice and neat, because if we don't line them up, we're going to make a silly mistake. If you already checked it, you're thinking about how we could write our solution in a complete sentence. And I know that Uriel and Braulio are going to look back to the question to see what we need to answer. Can you reread the question for us, please, Carla?
How much change should David give Marisol?
So when we write our solution, we're going to answer that question. So how much change should David give Marisol, Eduardo? Can I just write that, though? Can I just write the number as my answer? Okay, try it in a complete sentence.
Marisol's changes $3.41.
Love it. Marisol's change is $3. Alex, we're writing. And 41 cents. Or you could say, David should give Marisol $3.41. There's different ways we could say it as long as we answer the question. Natalie, yes? The Gatorade is like a sports drink. It's supposed to give you some energy. It's supposed to have some nutrients and vitamins in it. All right, moving on down. I'm going to move my paper up. I don't even really need to move it up a little bit. We have a little bit of a different compare numbers today. I know you tried it by yourself, but I want to quickly go over it. What does the question ask us, Paulina?
The question is,
So that means which numbers should go in the blank that will make this number sentence true. Ooh, who thinks they can read this number sentence? How do we read it? This is a little bit tricky to read. Kaylee?
327 less than 370.
Wow, air high five. That was awesome. 327 is less than, which is less than 371. How do I even figure this out? Some of you, this was funny to me. Some of you just knew what number went in there, but then when I asked you why, you didn't know what to say. That's kind of funny when we just know the answer, but we don't know how to explain it. Marisol, do you think you can explain it?
I think the answer is letter D.
Okay, you think the answer is letter D, 354. Okay, why do you think that the answer is letter D?
I think the answer is letter D because if if you put it in the middle, 300.
I'm going to pause. Last class reminder about writing on our paper, especially on a different question when we're talking about this one. Can you write on this one? Of course. Should you be writing on anything else?
No.
No, because that tells me you're not paying attention.
I think it's letter D because 354 is in the middle of these two numbers.
I want a friend to echo what you said because that sounded brilliant to me.
Myself said she chose 354 because it's kind of bigger like the other number.
I'm going to have her repeat it one more time. Attentive listening.
I think the answer is letter D because 354 is in the middle of the two numbers.
Okay, Juan, what did she say?
She said letter D is her answer because 354 is in the middle of both of them.
Paulina, what did Marisol and Juan say? Juan, say it again.
Marisol said that her answer was D because it's in the middle. If 354 is in the middle of both of them.
Yeah, 354 is in the middle of 327 and 371. If we looked at a number line, they would be in order from the left side to the right side. Okay? 390. Would that go less than 327 or greater than 371? If I pretended that this was a number line right here, where would 390 go? This side? This side?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because 390 is way larger than 371. I don't want something that's going to go on the outside. I want something that's going to go in the middle. Where would 726 go? Over here?
Yes. No. Yes.
Over here?
No. Yes. Yes.
Over here?
Yes. Yes.
Over here?
Yes.
Okay, let's do silent hands. 726. Okay, I'm going to make it hopefully a little bit clearer. Here's 0. All the way over here is 1,000. 726? Is it closer to 0 or is it closer to 1,000? Where is it? 726 is much bigger than 300, so it has to go this way. Smaller, bigger, less, greater. So as the numbers get bigger, they have to go this way. I need something that's in the middle, not on the side. Where would 321 go? Quiet hand if you know. Where would 321 go? Jorge? The left side, right? 321 is less than 327. I don't want something that's on this side. I need something that's in the middle. Let's make sure these are in order. One last check. Oh, 300, 300, 300. Does that help us? Does it help us if they're the same?
No.
20, 50, 70.
Yay.
Oh yeah, that goes from least to greatest. Marisol's correct. We needed a number, Eduardo, that went right in the middle, and that was it, 354. Okay, let's turn our paper to the side. Let's check our equation inequality. I was very impressed by what I saw. Told me that last time we did this, you guys paid really close attention. You were able to do it yourself today, just like I thought you would be able to. Hey, Daisy, can you tell us what you did on this one?
I drew a line between the 7 and the 5.
Like this? Let me see your paper. Oh, I see. Okay, I see what you did. Let me fix it. Like this? 7 plus 5 equals?
Wow!
Oh, Daisy remembered. I should always check to see if I can solve one of the sides, and she solved it. Okay?
And then I drew the other
solve the other side too. What is it? What's 4 plus 8?
12.
Ooh. Now you know your answer. What was your answer? 12 is equal to 12? Are you sure? 12 is equal to 12?
Yeah.
I was trying to trick you. 12 is equal to 12. Answer is letter B. Would that make sense to put 12, 12, 12?
No.
No, even if 12 is your favorite number, it doesn't make sense to put 12, 12, 12. We have to solve it so that we can read it. 12 equals 12. Okay, last thing, our daily counting. Let's sing our Tiara. Oh, I can't hear you. 3, 2, and 6s. You might even start writing them before the song plays.